Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. I'm going to show you in this one how to get this starter content onto your 5.7 project. As a lot of you may know, when you downloaded 5.7 it wasn't there, so in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to get this so you can get like all these materials and all this on here in about 5 minutes. So guys, stay tuned. Hey guys, so if you were like me and you were new to Unreal Engine 5.5, which is what I have pulled up right here, you'll notice something, and that is there's no starter content. And you can go up here to add like you would before, and you can go to, add feature or content pack, and you can click on it and it's just not there. And it used to, and I can show you here because I got them both pulled up, like anything below this, and I think 5.6 still had it available too. I kind of made the jump from 5.5 to 5.7. But y'all can let me know in the comments if it had it or not. I would like to know. But you notice how there's nothing here. But if I go back over here to my other project that I'm doing in 5.5.4 in my beginner series, and I go over here and to go down here to this content browser, and I click add there and add the feature or content pack, I can go up here and I have this option here for starter content. Okay. But if you go to 5.7, there's no option for that. So I got to looking around and I was like, all right, so what do we need to do? And I'm going to show you today the easiest way to do that. And the best thing to do really is to just go over here in your older project here. And if you need to download an older version of Unreal to get this, I think this is ridiculous. I don't know why they took it off. But if you need to do that, and this is the way you can get the starter content. So just go over here and click on your folder and then just hit migrate, and it'll get everything that you need, and just press OK. And then from that point, we want to migrate that over to, let's see, where is that? Yeah, I have a test folder here. My project I'm doing here. Okay, yep, and just want to add it here, and it'll migrate that package over, and just give it a few seconds here. And now we should be able to go back over here, and we should be able to have the starter content. All right, and then in the starter content, it's got a lot of different things in here, but it has all these materials. So just to test it, make sure it works. Yep, there we go. So simple as that, guys. That really stumped me for a second. I was like, what in the world? It's got to be somewhere. But no, it's not on there. They took it off on 5.7. So if you want to keep that starter content, then just download, like 5.5 or something like that, and you can just move it over. But thanks guys for watching. I hope this helped.